I've got this light fixture and the bulb is flickering. I've already changed the bulb. That means the problem is not the bulb, it's the fixture. So I'm going to change that light fixture. That light fixture has been there over 50 years on the patio. This is the light fixture I'm going to replace it with. Now, I took this down off the wall about 3 years ago and replaced it with a dual bulb one out in the carport. So I was going to throw this away. I had no use for it, but I kept it. Well, 3 years later, I've got a use for it. I'm going to mount that up on the patio. So good thing I didn't throw this away. Hopefully it still works. To begin this project, I'm putting the light on, and I'm going over to the circuit breaker and turn that lamp off. Got my circuit breaker panel with notations where everything is at, and it is 7A. Now I know that it's off and it should be safe to work on. Just to make sure I don't get an electrical shock, I'm wearing my rubber-soled shoes, and I'm going to use rubber gloves to work on it. So this is just a double backup safety. And I'm turning the light switch off, even though the light is off. Now these screws have been in this fixture for over 50 years and they're rusted. So I'm going to take a screwdriver, hit it with a hammer, just keep lightly tapping on it with a hammer to see if I can break up the rust in the screw, because it's not coming out just using a screwdriver. Now pounding it with a hammer, that loosened it up. But still I got to put a lot of force, lean into that screw, and just don't try to turn it all the way. Lean in and just move it just a little bit. Just a little bit. It's still difficult to back up, but I got a little gap in here. Just enough so I can use some WD-40 on a nozzle and spray it in there, let it sit for a few minutes. I've got the light fixture off. Now I have to take this rusty piece out and put the new piece in, which has this bolt for holding the light fixture on. The new plate is on. Now ready to wire black to black, white to white, and see if I can attach the green ground to the fixture. There's no place to attach this green ground to the new light fixture, so I capped it off, but I'm not worried about it because the new light fixture is all plastic, so it's not going to conduct electricity by touching the plastic. Before wiring the fixture, I mounted it to make sure this mounting screw sticks out here, and when I put this cap on it, whoops, anyways, before I put that cap on it, I want to make sure it'll tighten up. It's connected black to black and white to white. Test that connection. I'm going to put a bulb in before I try to attach it to the wall, make sure it's working. Well, my connection is good, it's working. Turn everything back off and mount it to the wall. Finished project. I've got a light fixture again. Where the bulb is, the glass decorative bulb is, I don't know. If I find it, I'll put it there. If I don't, I'll just leave it like this.